Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you click on a video or search for something online? It feels like magic, right? But it's actually a fascinating journey that your data takes in the blink of an eye. Let's break it down. Imagine you're at home on your laptop and you type a website address into your browser. The moment you hit enter, your computer sends a request. But it doesn't just shout the website name into the void. First, it needs to find the website's address, just like you need a street address to send a letter. This address isn't a name, but a series of numbers called an IP address. Your computer asks a special phone book for the internet, called the Domain Name System, or DNS, to look up the IP address for the website you want. Once it has the address, your request is broken down into tiny pieces of data called packets. Think of it like deconstructing a Lego castle into individual bricks. Each packet is labeled with the destination IP address and its own sequence number, so it knows where to go and how to be reassembled later. Now, the journey begins. These packets leave your house through your Wi-Fi router and travel via your Internet Service Provider, or ISP. From there, they zip through a massive global network of fiber optic cables. These cables are like superhighways for data, stretching across continents and even under oceans. Your packets might travel thousands of miles, hopping between different routers and servers along the way, each one directing them closer to their destination. It's like a high-speed digital relay race. Finally, the packets arrive at the web server, powerful computer that stores the website's files. The server reads your request, gathers all the necessary information, like text, images, and videos, and breaks it all down into new packets. It then sends these packets on a return journey all the way back to your computer. As the packets arrive back at your device, your browser acts like a construction manager, using the sequence numbers on each packet to piece everything back together in the correct order, and voila. The web page appears on your screen, perfectly assembled. All of this happens in milliseconds, a truly incredible feat of engineering that connects us all. I hope this little journey behind the screen was interesting. If you enjoyed it, give this video a like and subscribe for more bite-sized lessons. Thanks for watching.